Hi, I'm Kevin O'Connor. I'm doing a science project with Chris Flood. We're doing a Trebuchet. Now, with the Trebuchet, Chris, you can bring the camera down. Okay, now with the Trebuchet, we have the, see these beams? They support all the weight, and they are at a 45-degree angle, which is the most, strong, it's the strongest, like, they're in a triangle.
Yeah, it's like the strongest spot for them to be at.
Yeah, pretty much. So it supports the most weight. Let's see. We drilled holes in the launching arm so that it can fully move.
Yeah, on the fulcrum.
Yeah, on the fulcrum. We used a metal bar right here. Yeah, you can bring it over here. This moves the trebuchet arm so that it can fully go down. So right here is where it launches. This is called the sling, where you put any ammunition you need in here, marshmallow, anything. We used a nail. We tied the string onto the launching arm, and we put a nail in here so that we can attach when it launches. When it gets to a 45-degree angle, it releases, centripetal force, and then the projectile launches about here. The sling lets go, and it follows through here, and hopefully it will go far. Let's see. Oh yes, we used here, like, usually a trebuchet has wheels on it so that it can, the aftershock of this, usually it has a weight here, so the aftershock of it rocks here so that the whole thing can rock. But since we don't have a weight here, we're just using our hands, so we don't really need wheels. So we built this frame to support all the aftershock of this, the launching. We used these beams right here for extra support for the outside frame. And also we used screws instead. We used glues. We used glue for support, but it actually broke the first time, and so then we used screws to have much more support. Okay, so first we went to Home Depot, got these wood planks. So when we got home, we had to saw these to the correct measurements, and then we started measuring all these, cut them.
Yeah, with the frame, bottom frame.
We started out with the frame. Then we had to glue these at different times, because we could not put them together in one piece. We had to glue this long piece right here and this piece together, and then this piece and this piece together. We glued both of them on, and that became our frame. And we were just going to stick with that, but we decided it needed extra support, so we put these planks in to provide extra support. And then we started out, with these. We glued two, as you can see here, we glued two 1/4-inch planks together, and then we started to measure these, and these were actually square like these, but we decided that it would provide much more support if we put it at a 45-degree angle. So we did all of that for both these sides, and then while these were gluing, we worked on the arm. So now what we have here is a quarter by 3/8?
No, this is a 3/8.
3/8.
By 3/8.
3/8 by 3/8 plank of wood. We had to cut those to 8-inch plank on both sides. And so this one plank is 17 inches. We had to put this plank, glue this plank 5 inches into here, so that it provided the correct weight.
Yeah, and support.
Yeah, and support. Right here with the nail, we were going to put a weight here, but we could not find a heavier weight. Well, actually, we tried a weight, and it just didn't work. So we tried it just with our hands, and it worked much better.
Mm.
So we decided to do that. So then we worked on the sling. First, we cut out a sock to work for our sling, but it caught onto the objects too much, so it didn't go as far. So we tried this cloth, and this worked much better. And then we put the nail in here, which when it... See, I'll put this together. When this goes up here at a 45-degree angle, then it lets go here, releasing the object.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it.